Welcome back to Condo, where we bring you the best condo decor and interior design ideas. If you're living in a small condo, you know that maximizing your space is crucial. Today's video is all about clever and creative ways to maximize your closet space while keeping your home organized. Whether you're dealing with limited closet space or want to make your wardrobe more functional, we've got solutions for you. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future tips for making the most of your condo living. And feel free to drop a comment below with your favorite storage solutions or any tips you'd like to share with the Condo community. With limited square footage in most condos, every inch of space matters. It's important to make sure your closet not only looks good, but also serves its purpose, keeping your things organized and easily accessible. So let's jump into some storage strategies that will help you reclaim your closet space and boost the efficiency of your home. Ready to transform your closet? Let's start with our first solution, which is perfect for those of you with a lot of hanging clothes. Stay tuned for some smart ways to store and organize your wardrobe. One of the easiest ways to maximize your closet is by utilizing vertical space. Install additional shelves or hanging racks above your clothes to store items like shoes, bags, or folded clothes. The higher you go, the more storage you can create. These shelves can also be used for decorative items or boxes to keep smaller accessories organized. Another great idea is to hang hooks or pegs on the inside of your closet doors. These can be used to store accessories like scarves, hats, or bags, keeping them off your shelves and organized in a convenient spot. You'll be amazed at how much extra space you can create by going upwards instead of only focusing on the floor area. Maximizing vertical space in your closet can make a huge difference, and it doesn't require a big investment. Start small by adding a few extra shelves or hooks and see how much more functional your closet can become. With just a few adjustments, you'll find that organizing your items has never been easier. Double hanging rods are an excellent way to maximize closet space, especially for shorter items like shirts, blouses, and skirts. By adding a second rod beneath your main rod, you can create more hanging space for shorter garments, leaving the top rod for longer pieces like dresses or coats. The best part? These double rods are easy to install and don't require much more than a few tools and a little time. They're an affordable solution to make your closet feel bigger without the need for a costly renovation. The additional rods will create more room for your clothes, and you'll be able to access everything with ease. You can even use the bottom rod for accessories like belts or ties. This makes it easy to organize smaller items while keeping everything neatly tucked away. Whether you're hanging clothes or storing accessories, doubling up your rods is a space-saving game changer. Slim hangers are a simple yet effective solution to creating more room in your closet. They take up less space than traditional wooden or plastic hangers, allowing you to hang more clothes in the same amount of space. Additionally, slim hangers can help prevent clothes from sliding off and getting wrinkled. They are available in different materials, from velvet to non-slip plastic, making them an ideal solution for various clothing types. When you switch to slim hangers, you'll be surprised at how much more room you can create. By replacing bulky hangers with slim versions, your closet will instantly feel more spacious and organized. It's a small change that yields big results, so make sure to grab a set the next time you're shopping for closet essentials. Drawer dividers are a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their closet drawers neat and organized. They come in various sizes and materials and are perfect for dividing smaller items like socks, underwear, or jewelry. Using dividers will not only keep everything in its place, but also help you easily find what you're looking for. You can also use dividers for larger drawers to separate different categories of clothing, like sweaters, t-shirts, or pants. This prevents your drawers from becoming a jumbled mess and ensures your clothes stay in great condition. With dividers, everything has a designated spot. Drawer dividers are affordable, easy to install, and highly effective at maximizing the organization of your closet space. Whether you're storing accessories or clothes, these handy tools will help you stay organized and make the most of every drawer. Storage bins and baskets are perfect for keeping things off the floor and neatly organized. You can use them to store seasonal items, extra bedding, shoes, or anything else that you don't need to access every day. Stackable bins can be placed on closet shelves to keep items easily accessible while also maximizing vertical space. Baskets are another great solution for organizing items on closet shelves. They provide a flexible and stylish storage option that can be used to hold anything from shoes to scarves. Choose baskets that match your decor, and you'll have both functional and decorative storage solutions in your closet. Storage bins and baskets come in a variety of sizes, so you can find the right ones for your specific needs. They also make it easier to keep things organized by grouping similar items together. So, whether you prefer bins or baskets, they're a great way to keep your closet tidy and efficient. Closet doors often go underutilized, but they can be a great spot for storage. Consider adding an over-the-door organizer for shoes, hats, or even cleaning supply. These organizers come in various designs and can hold a surprising amount of items without taking up any extra space in your closet. Another option is to install hooks or a small shelf on the inside of the closet door. This can be an excellent spot for small items like belts, scarves, or even jewelry. By utilizing the space on your closet doors, you can free up valuable shelf and hanging space for other items. The inside of closet doors is a great area to explore if you're looking for more storage options. It's a simple solution that can make a huge difference in how your closet functions, and the best part is that it doesn't require any major renovation. If your closet is bursting at the seams, try rotating your wardrobe seasonally. Store off-season clothes in bins or under the bed storage to free up space for current season items. This will not only give you more room in your closet, but also help keep your wardrobe fresh and organized. When the weather changes, simply switch out your summer clothes for your fall or winter wardrobe. This method allows you to focus on the clothes you'll actually wear in the current season and keeps everything else stored neatly out of sight. You can also donate or sell clothes you no longer wear during each season change to further optimize your closet. Rotating your wardrobe will also make it easier to find what you need. When you only have the current season's clothes in your closet, you'll be able to find outfits faster and keep your closet looking neat and tidy throughout the year. One of the challenges of small closet spaces is keeping everything visible and easy to access. To overcome this, make sure you organize your closet in a way that you can see everything clearly. Use clear storage bins for small items like shoes, bags, or accessories so that you can easily spot what you're looking for. Another option is to use open shelving for items that are frequently used. This allows you to store and access items quickly without rummaging through drawers or bins. Keeping your closet organized and visible will help reduce the frustration of searching for items when you need them. The goal is to create a system where everything has its place, and you can see. By using clear bins, open shelving, and well-organized racks, your closet will be not only more functional but also more aesthetically pleasing. Thanks for watching today's video on small condo closet storage solutions. I hope these tips help you maximize your closet space and make your condo feel more organized and spacious. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below with any storage solutions you use in your own closet. We love hearing from you, and your feedback helps us create more helpful content to assist with your condo design and organization needs. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends or family who might need some closet inspiration. We look forward to seeing you in the next video with even more amazing ideas for condo living. Until next time, stay organized and keep designing your perfect condo space.